If your Roblox voice chat suddenly disappeared, don't panic. Here's the full breakdown to get it back, and make sure to stay to the end because the last fix is the one most players say actually works. First, check your age verification. Go into Roblox settings, then the account info tab, and make sure you're verified as 13 plus with a valid ID. If your age is under 13 or unverified, voice chat won't show up at all. Second, enable voice chat manually. In settings, go to the privacy tab and toggle voice chat on. Sometimes updates reset this setting, so re-enabling it brings the option back instantly. Third, clear your Roblox cache and relog. On PC, press Windows plus R, type % local app data %. Find the Roblox folder and delete it. On mobile, clear the app's cache in settings, then log back in. This can fix missing features after updates. Fourth, check your device permissions. Make sure Roblox has access to your microphone in your system settings, or voice chat won't appear. If this is working or not, let me know in the comments. I want to see which fix actually does it for you. Here's a tip: hit that like and sub if this works for you, so you never miss quick Roblox fixes like this. Follow these steps, and in most cases, your voice chat will reappear, so you can jump right back into talking with friends.